Okay, so guys, in this experiment, we are going to perform router on stick experiments. Uh, so this configuration is already same as VLAN configuration. So there are two devices which are new in this: the DHCP server and the router. DHCP server is used to assign dynamic IP addresses to this network components, and the router is used for the main line. So we have to configure the router, the multi-layer switch, and the switches which you can see. So go to router. So I have already done the configuration. So I will show you the commands which you have to run on your router. Okay, so for router. Okay, so go to enable mode, config terminal. Go to interface, gigabit 0/1, no short. Now go, now again go to the interface 0/0.1, 0.1. So what this does is it creates an interfaces inter it creates multiple interfaces in that port. So the port 0/0. So for that port, it's creating 0.1 sub interface. Similarly, we will be creating 0.2, 0.20, 0.10, and 0.100. The IP address which we are going to assign to that VLAN 1, VLAN 10, VLAN 20, you can see here. So after uh, executing this interface command, no short. Now go to encapsulation mm, dot 1q, encapsulation dot 1q 1 native. So native is used because this is the main line. So for that we are using the native command, and the IP address is 10.1.1.254, which is the last IP address. So we are assigning that last IP address to this, and 255.255.255.0 as a subnet mask. So after running this, we will press. So similar configuration we have to do for the interface 0.10. Go make here as a 10. Remove that native. Make here as a 10.254. Okay. So similarly we will be doing for the 20 and for 100. So I'm not showing you that. Now we will switch on to multi-layer switch. So for multi-layer switch we will be go to enable, go to config terminal, open an interface fast ethernet 0/1, make this as a switch port mode access, switch port access VLAN 10. Okay. So what this means is we are giving this fast Ethernet port as access mode, um, and this is we are declaring that this part is a VLAN 10, and this is VLAN 100, this is VLAN 20, and this is VLAN 1. So these three links that which are downward are VLAN 10 are on access mode, and this link is a trunk mode, is on trunk mode. So if you want to see, okay, so you can see here. So for the interface, so we have created a 0.1, 0.10, 0.20, 0.100, out of which 0.1 is given as a native because it's the main line, and we have assigned the IP addresses for each, and we have created this successfully on the router. Now we will see the configuration of. So you can say that we have created the access ports and here, and there is a trunk port which is connected to the router. This is connected to the router, so it's a trunk mode. The rest three are VLAN 10, 20 and 100 are trunk mode, are on switch mode. Similarly, we'll be doing configuration for the access layer switch. For access layer switch, we will be writing the command as a switch port access VLAN 20 for the 20 of VLAN switch, and switch port access more VLAN 10 uh, for the switch which is present in VLAN 10. Okay, so you can see here that this the IP address for this PC is 10.1.20.1. So we are, since we are using DHCP, so we can see that this is allocating IP address successfully. So let us try to ping the PC. You can see that ping 10.1.20.1. Okay, so you can see that the packets are replying, so it means that the network has successfully been established and it is working. So if you want that, I can show. So it's replying from both the pieces which are present here. So yeah, we are done with this experiment.